All right, today got the truck in the shop. I got a little package delivered. Um, just got out of work, got in the shop here. I gotta turn on the heater here in a minute, but just wanted to show what we got going on here. I don't know if you know what I'm after. What am I gonna be putting on here? Yep, wheel spacers. So I bought the cheapest ones I could fucking find. How about that? Why not? Cheap ones. Cheap, 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 cheap. So they're right here. No, I didn't go with the cheapest ones, but fairly cheap. They're at least halfway decent, you know. So we'll throw them on there. They are, I think I got the 1.5 ones. Nothing crazy. I don't want that shit sticking way out like some of you guys do. Deep dish rim bullshit going on today. But I want it to stick out a little bit because eventually I'm going to be putting the 35, 1250, 20s on. And I mean, they'll clear in the back, but up here in the front, since I don't have the lift control arm or nothing on there yet, I got my homemade suspension lift up here. It's a little tight to the ball joint area, so wheel spacers were going to be needed anyway. So let me go over here and turn my damn heater on and get the truck up in the air, pull the wheels off. Let's get started. Cheap ass Tractor Supply socket set. Cheap ass Harbor Freight impact. And some air pressure. Let's peel this one off. See how I do that? These freaking chrome covered lug nuts can be a pain in the ass. So deep well socket, get all the way on there. Get her so she's loose and spins free, then work your socket off. Back her off the rest of the way. Won't get stuck in there and you won't fuck up the lug nuts. A lot of freaking vehicles got that shit. It's ridiculous. Alright, so let's check these spacers out. I haven't opened the box, but I haven't pulled one out yet. Let's see what we got with these things. Just some eBay specials here. Alright, yeah. You guys want the number? There they are. Look at that. Decent hub piloted deal. They seem pretty quality right out the box. Got all the hardware. I mean, shit. Don't seem too half bad. I don't know. It should work good. Let's try them out. So before I just slap these damn things on and bolt the rim back on and call her good, I'm gonna have to take the time here and get this New York rust off of here. So a little hammer. Get most of that shit off. Wire brush. Let's get it all in there. Get around that hub real good. Not so much the surface. You don't want anything sticking off, but get all that scale off of there. That way it doesn't give the thing any reason to come loose. That's straight on there. And then that hub, the piloted part there, you want to make sure that's clean. And we are going to go ahead and, well, definitely need that, but we're going to give her some of this on there, because I don't know if any of you know, steel and aluminum, they don't jive too good. Yeah, see all that shit? Look at all that. Look at all that. That's just off the face of the freaking rotor. Now she's nice and flat. Let's get her all goobered up. The good stuff. Never sneeze. Shit spreads like AIDS, man. It's like you look at it and it gets all over the place. So I just go ahead and smear a little bit on there. You gotta get too crazy, but that way, if you ever gotta beat these things off, they're beat offable. While you got it out, you might as well do the studs. Get all the studs. You know, hit them a little bit here, just in case. I'm gonna peel all these things off, and you might as well do them too. See, and now I got that shit on the camera. Oh my god. Fucking gets everywhere. You know, it's good shit, but Jesus. Come on. Alright, well, I got her, you know, test fitted up there. And you see a little see the gap? Look at that. Some guys don't notice that. You gotta pay attention to that. This thing, you know, feels like it's on there. That's, it's hub piloted, so that thing is gonna be like almost a press fit. So you need to take care to evenly tighten these, and that'll press that baby right on there. That's why we use the Never Sees. Steel and aluminum corrode. Aluminum corrode. Jesus. Have another one. So it's recommended you use a torque wrench on these things, or hand do them. But you know, I'm just not gonna, because I'm just not that type of guy. I'm just gonna put the impact on there. He's 19 mil. Yeah, you just gotta know what the hell you're doing. That's all. Just gotta look at the shit. Know how it's. Look at that. Come on. I mean, you just use your head. What the fuck? No, that one don't want to go on. Oh, there we go. Alright, well, that's torqued to low on the gun. So, I don't know, I usually just do a couple blips more after that. We'll do that and call her good. Well, that's one down. Let's get this rim on there and get these other lug nuts torqued. And just remember, guys, this is my truck. I drive it daily. Don't do what I do unless, no, just, well, for your safety, use a torque wrench. Oh, look at that. They go right back on those studs like factory. Cement. Can't get enough of those guys on YouTube. Funny as shit. Well, there you have it with the install part of the video. Now we can get to the checking out part of the video. Let's go ahead and let her down. And I hope that this isn't going to be a big letdown and a waste of 25 minutes of my life I'll never get back. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can't get this freaking thing down here. And check it out. Let's see what the hell it looks like. 1.5 inch speakers in this bitch. Oh. Might look alright. Let's let the old heavy turd down. Looks like it might stick out a little bit. A little bit. Oh, shit, the oil's cold in this bitch. Oh, stand on it. Oh, get on down there. Oh my god, if this thing was any slower, fucking death would creep up on it. Jesus. Alright. Well, let's see what we got. I had it in this hand and I planted it like that. I don't know. She definitely sticks out a little bit more, I'd say. I can see that back tire sticking out now. Oh shit. Shit. She's really gonna wear the front end out now. Well, I'll be damned. Let's just hope they fucking stay on because I like to push her to the limits. You know what I mean? Well, just look at that. It does look a little meaner. Got a little bit of meat sticking out. I like that. And these are just actually it's not factory. 275/65 20s. That's the old Dorsey. Pretty sure there are two. Oh, where the hell is it? 275/60. 275/60 20. Yeah, so. Oh, Jesus. Well, that's about all it needs. Put the 35 12.5s on there. It'll stick out just nice. I don't know. Fuck it. I don't mind that caved in area there. These Dodge backup sensors they're junk. They don't work. Well, let's do a little walk around, I guess. I stick out a little bit. That's actually not too noticeable to me. I don't know. Should probably turn the wheel straight. That might fucking help. Oh. There we go. Does look a little meaner, only at certain angles. I guess from the front, coming down the road, which might look a little meaner. Yeah, it definitely does. Hey, I can dig it. Let's take her for a little rip here. Let's see. I don't know any other guys with the 8 speeds. I don't know if you do this. I don't just put that shit in drive and just run it. Cause I don't like that 4-cylinder bullshit. And a good way to cut it down, cut it right off, just put her all up into 8 in manual mode. Let her shift through the gears like that. Never goes in the MDS mode. Fuck that shit. I bought an 8-cylinder for a fucking reason. 8-cylinder, that sounds gay. V8 power, buddy, Hemi. See how bad these fuckers wobble. See how she drives. She's 3 inches wider now. Let go of the steering wheel. And a little pull left or right because of the wait, left or right. Shit, I don't know. I'm not very educated. But that's the crown of the road. This thing doesn't pull. I lined it myself. I know it's fucking good. That guy was just looking at me like, what the fuck? Anyway. Shit, yeah. She rocks. It's rolling. I don't know for how long, but I'll keep you all updated. And there you go. If you're looking for something not too fancy, not too flashy, I think that's just it right there. 1.5-inch spacers. I kind of like them. I mean, it's you know, probably the old lady ain't gonna notice shit. She's gonna be like, you just did what to what? But I notice it. Gives it that look. I mean, just looks a little, man, now she definitely needs some tires. But hopefully that was some help to you guys who didn't know what the hell you were doing. Hopefully some of the shit was a little bit of good advice. If there's one thing you should do, that is use a torque wrench. I have multiple. I'm just lazy and I know my impact very well. But that's it. Thanks for watching.